Hey everyone, welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, we will talk about how machine learning works. Machine learning works by enabling computers to learn from data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Although ML methods vary, most systems follow a similar process. 1. Data collection. ML starts with data, images, text, numbers, audio, or any information relevant to the problem. The quality and quantity of data strongly influence how well the model will perform. 2. Data preparation. The collected data is cleaned, organized, and formatted. This may include removing errors, handling missing values, and normalizing inputs to ensure the model can learn effectively. 3. Choosing a model. Different ML algorithms are suited for different tasks. A. Supervised learning for prediction and classification. B. Unsupervised learning for pattern discovery. C. Reinforcement. Learning for trial and error decision making. Training the model. The model is fed data so it can identify patterns. A. In supervised learning, it learns from labeled examples, e.g. cat versus dog. B. In unsupervised learning, it groups or organizes data without labels. C. In reinforcement learning, it learns through rewards and penalties. During training, the model adjusts internal parameters to reduce errors. 5. Testing and evaluation. The model is tested on new, unseen data to measure accuracy and performance. Metrics like precision, recall, or error rates help determine how well it is learned. 6. Deployment. Once validated, the trained model is integrated into real-world systems, like recommendation engines, fraud detectors, or medical image analyzers. 7. Continuous improvement. Many ML systems continue learning over time, updating themselves with new data to stay accurate and relevant. In essence, ML works by combining data, mathematical models, and computation to mimic aspects of human learning, allowing machines to make smarter, more informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment with your question, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, and take care.